Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's video, by the way, check me out on Instagram at moylinden. And this video I made yesterday, and I actually posted on YouTube, but it was deleted as a copyright because of the background music. So this is a voiceover that I'm redoing, and I hope you can hear my voice. Anyway, so I made some pancakes before, but I'm gonna explain about those later. First of all, these are salty snacks. Yeah, I just want to call them snacks because they're just like random snacks you can eat on, well, you're on keto and you want to stick healthy or to be healthy. And sometimes people crave like carbohydrates, and yeah, so these are the pancakes I made earlier. They're also keto pancakes. So yeah, sometimes people crave like wheat, but yeah, you have also other alternatives. If you want to see how I made the pancakes, the link is there where I'm pointing. Yep. So on to our ingredients. Here I have the yeast, and I have the baking powder, and I have the salt here. Also I have the coconut flakes right there. Also I have the almond flour. Yeah, I'm not using any wheat here, only there. And I have the egg yolk, right? And I have the white of the egg. I already made those off camera. Yeah, but you know, they're very easy to make. So I'm gonna need a bowl here, and I'm gonna need a mixer. Yeah, and also some fork maybe. Yeah, so let's get started. So I grab the bowl and I start with the egg yolk. I throw that in. Make sure you empty everything. I did that off camera, like, you know. Yeah, I emptied everything. Also, take a cleaner bowl. Set the other bowl aside and take a cleaner bowl, and take your coconut flakes. So this is 50 ml that I'm using, or 50 deciliter. Yeah, so I'm gonna use about 2 of those, so that is 100 ml. Yeah, if my math is right. Also, I'll take the the almond flour, and I'll add the same, only 2. That is 100 and 100, makes it 200. Yeah. I will mix these 2 ingredients together with my baking powder. Yeah, so here I'm adding a half teaspoon, and I'm gonna add also my yeast there. You can use any yeast or any baking powder, and you can skip one, add baking powder or just yeast, whatever suits you. But I would prefer both so that I can have the proper fluffiness. I'm using my salt here, half teaspoon. Yes, put that inside, and then I'm gonna mix this very well and nicely until everything is well incorporated. Yes, I did incorporate well off camera. Yeah, so after that, take the older bowl, mix your dry ingredients inside, you know. Yeah, put them inside. Make sure you put everything, everything. Don't leave anything. Now you mix that very nicely. I think the spoon is not working well. Yeah, a fork is better. Yeah, so I'm gonna mix this very, very well. At this part it looks very, very dry, but don't worry about that because we still have our ingredients. So at this part I'm gonna take my egg white. I'm not gonna add all. I'm gonna use a spoon, I mean little by little, little by little. Yeah, and mix that very, very nicely. Make sure everything is very well incorporated. Continue adding your egg white. At this point it was starting to like melt, like the foam was getting liquidish. Yeah, because I had it wait for a long time. Look, yeah. But anyway, don't worry, I'm not gonna waste anything here. So I'm gonna mix this very well, and off camera I'm gonna add like the remaining liquid. Yeah, so I did that, and here is my consistency. Consistency. Yeah. Yeah, that's how it looks like. It's a bit thick. For the pancake ones was almost the same kind of thickness, and when you put the egg white later, it becomes very super shiny. So I'm gonna set my oven to 200 degrees for about 15 minutes, and I'm gonna take my rack. Yep, and place it there on top. Yes, and you need some space, so I'm gonna take my baking sheet also. There you go. So I'll spread one baking sheet on my tray. You don't have to use this. If you don't have, you can oil your baking tray. So I'll start scooping this one by one. Maybe I'll not use my hands. Let the magic happen. Yeah, you know, sometimes you have to be a magician. Yeah, I felt tired, so now they are ready. Ta-da! Yes, and now that's how they look like. They look a bit so close to each other. I think I need some space in between because they're not too many. I thought they would be like 8 or more. Yeah, now that's a good space. So we are still waiting for our oven to heat, and we have set the timer to know when the oven is already hot. Yeah, ding, it's hot, and I'm gonna put those inside. Wow, they are sliding by themselves. Wow, even the oven is closing by itself. Everything is working miraculously. Look, they are so ready. Subscribe. So this is how they look like after I cooked them for 15 minutes, and I changed the oven to 180 because these are very light. So this is how they look like. We're gonna cut one and see how they look inside. And they cool super fast, although I waited. Wow, don't forget to subscribe, and also I'm not yet done, so stick here. We're gonna taste how they are. Oh my god, I'm telling you, they are super yummy. They are just yummy-licious. Yeah, Oh my god, I can't. Oh my god, they are so good, you know. Oh my god, these cookies, I know, not cookies, but these things, they are so yummy. I'm even lost of words. Okay, the word is there because I'm lost of. Anyway, so if you want to prepare this kind of meal, prepare and let me know how it turned out. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And also, don't forget to share with your friends so that they can also benefit from this kind of video. And don't forget to comment down below. I would like to hear your views about this video. Also,